Hiya, welcome back to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by. I'm back from my hauls. I went to Barcelona for a week and it was lovely. Got back and I was just catching up with some stuff at home. But I'm on today to catch up with my cash stuffing of my savings challenges for the 12th of May because I did not do it. I left on the 11th for my holiday. I wanted to pre-record but I just ran out of time, so I'm here to do that today. I didn't get to save any extra money or any side hustles or anything. I've got £140 here. That's 20 in £1 coins, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 125, 30, 35 and 40. I'm not quite sure what I want to do with this Sagittarius one because it's been ongoing from last year and I don't mind. I wanted it for part of my little cruise that I wanted to take. It's just a canal cruise really, nothing in the open seas because it'll be my first time that I'll be going on a cruise. So I just thought I'd take it in steps. So I'll do the river, the canal one. What I do have in the envelope is 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. I have saved more, but I've got it written down in my budget planner and I'll get to that and let you know in total what I've saved with this so far. I'm not going to stuff it today because I'm thinking about it. And we'll just get to the luck of the draw. Coming to the end of this one. I hope you guys had a good week, good weekend. The time just flies so quickly, it really does. I don't know where it goes, but it goes somewhere. I've only got a few more cards left. I think I have, the other day I saw one more diamond, or did I mark that off? Because I keep on missing the diamonds. I don't have any more diamonds, it's just hearts now, all hearts. Yep, no more diamonds. So let's see what we've got today. Okay, 5 of diamonds. And I don't have any diamonds, so I'm going to try again. I'll leave this one here. I'm going to pick again because I have no more diamonds. Let me just double check. Because the other day I did see a diamond, but I think I marked it off the last time I did my challenge. Alright, let's go. 7 of spades, so we do 10. We put that one away because we don't need the diamonds anymore. So we do 10 and mark that off. So that's spade. We've got lots of spades still. And this will go back in the packet. And this will go in here. Oops. Alright, that's all done. What's in here? Now get 100. Let's see what I want to do with this one. I'm going to put £5 into this one. I still haven't decided what I want to do with this. There, that's 5. And the big roll of the dice, get that out. and I'm going to decide what dies I'm going to use. I'm going to use 2 reds today. And let's get the marker out for that. Oh, I don't want it glaring so much. There's too much glare there. Okay. Let's move that pen. Okay, let's see what we've got here. We've got a 2 and a 5. So let's see. We've got a 5 here. And no 2s. All the 2s are gone. Okay, let's just mark a 5 anyway. Let's do, oh, another 5. Okay, so that's 10. And we'll go again. Oh, 2 6s. That's good. I'm glad we're getting there with the high numbers. So that's 12. Let's get this money out here. I'm disorganized, aren't I? Once you stay away from recording your videos, sometimes it can be a little bit challenging coming back. So that's £12. That's lovely. So we've done that one. And also I want to finish, okay, so we'll put that in the jar. Oh, this is a different jar. See, I'm not organized. The jar is under my table, so I'll just put that in a bit later. That's for the big roll of dice. Oh, I'm just all over the place today. And it's gonna be May. I wanted to finish up today. I enjoyed doing this one. I've only got £9 to put in there, so I'll do that. 1 2 3 4 9, and I'll quickly mark that off. So that's done. It was lovely. Right, so that's done. That goes into the other jar as well. Do you know, I'm going to get the other jar just to show you, if you've not seen it, if it's your first time here and you've not seen that jar, I'll just get it for you. There you go, that's the jar. This jar is only for roll the dice, double the challenge. So that's that there. And I'm going to change this jar because it's too big now, just for that one. I'm going to do a blue. So that's roll the dice, double the savings challenges, and I've got to put £3 in from last week. There we go, I owed it £3. And I'll rub that out. So let's roll. If it's under 6, the number 6, then I will roll again. If it comes up as 6, I'll only roll once. Okay, so that's £2. Oh, £2. I like that. £2. If I get a 6, then I will only roll the once. If I don't get a 6 on the first, I'll do it the second time. If I don't get it on the second time, I'll do it a third time. And if I don't get it on the third time, then I end it there, if that makes sense. So we've earned ourselves £6 today. Lovely. And that will go into this jar. I found another little jar that's going to be lovely to keep the money in for that. And then we go over to May. Love this challenge so much. And it's £15 today. So that's 5, 10, 15. And I'll speed it up as I colour. There we go, £15. Archie's here trying to tell me something. I don't know what he's trying to tell me. What are you trying to tell me, boy? Okay, that's that. I leave the Save 2023 in 2023 for the last, and then I will do my 52-week savings challenge. Let's see. I will put £5 for that. And the total for this one on completion is £650, which in that's not bad. Not bad at all. That's good. I like that. And can you see my knockout 9 there? I'm going to get that played in the week as well. And I have 20, 40, 60 pounds to go into my Save 2023 in 2023. Let's see now, that's 60, so I'll do a 40 and 20. Yep, I'll do a 40 and 20. So let's do 40 here. And 20 below. It's coming on nicely. Well, that's that. I have got 2, 4, 5 pound rollover. That's not bad. So I just want to catch up on all of them. I'm going to decide, as I said, what I want to do with the Saji one. I do like it a lot, but I'll have to see what I'm going to do with it. Anyway, if you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and also hit the bell in order to receive notifications as to when I upload my new videos. Take care of your good selves and see you back soon. Bye for now. Bye.